From Baldwin Creek Elementary, this is the Bobcat News, with your anchors, Grace Kemp and Sawyer Norton. Where every Bobcat matters every day.
Hello, Bobcats. Welcome. This week's trivia question is, in 2017, what day did Ugly Christmas Sweater Day occur? A. December 17th, B. December 21st, C. December 18th, or D. December 15th?
Some students are doing a great job showing the Bobcat traits, and have been selected as a December Student of the Month. The students in 4th grade are Coulter Hagela, Sarah Hampton, Connor Corcoran, Mackenzie Weber, Dane Kramer, Cash Chance, and Anna Taglioli.
Student of the Months for 5th grade are Dylan Hockett, Zaya Carlson, Addison Rounds, Chloe Sanders, Jacob Rudd, Shanti Junker, and Avery Binns. Miss Whitholm would like to nominate Brooks Even as Artist of the Month. Brooks is a quiet leader in his class and always has a positive attitude. He is a kind and very talented artist, and I feel lucky to have him in my class. Thank you, Brooks, for being a model student. Keep up the good work.
The December Athlete of the Month is Addison Rounds. Miss Adams said Addie has a competitive edge but balances it well with her good sportsmanship. She has great enthusiasm no matter what the sport or activity we are doing. Keep up the good work, Addie. High five.
Our school has been recognized as an ESEA Nationally Distinguished School. Olivia is going to talk to Mr. Morton on our school's achievement.
Hi, I'm here with Mr. Morton, and we're talking about the award that our school got. What did we do to achieve this honor?
Well, in addition to all the cool and great things that we do at Baldwin Creek to make this building special, the state of Wyoming also looks at our assessment data. And they were able to determine last year, in 2018, not only did we achieve at really high levels as the building as a whole, but we were also really able to close the gap in what we would call like our equity groups, which would be just smaller groups of students within our building.
Okay.
And on top of that, they send their recommendation on to the national organization, and then the national organization decides if our data was impressive enough to be considered what we would call a National Distinguished Title I school. And so, and they decided yes. So that's how we were able to get this recognition.
Okay. Do you know of any other schools in Wyoming or Lander that got nominated?
Well, I know this year we were one of 2 schools. The other school was Sheridan Middle School. But if you look at this map, you can see that over time, and this award was started in 1996, only 7 Wyoming schools have been recognized since then. So we are number 8 and Sheridan is number 9.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it is time to check in with Katie and Addie to see how you can have fun with science.
Hi, we're here at the website Science Bob, and we're going to show you some experiments.
The first experiment we're going to show you is a soap-powered model boat. So, when you click on it, it'll show you like pictures of what you'll do, but it'll show you what you'll need, so like what you'll need to get or what you'll need to buy or anything. How to do it, like how to make it or how to like do the experiment, and then it'll show you how it works. So like, yeah, how it works, and then it'll show you it'll show you how to make it an experiment, and that's just telling you how to use the if then because method.
The next experiment we're going to show you is blobs in a bottle. So there's a video on how to watch it. There's also images on how to do it. It once again has a list of what you'll need and what you need to do. And then there's more pictures and how it works and how to make it an experiment.
Another one we're going to show you is on the next page. So once you scroll all the way down to this one, you can click the to or the next button, and it'll show you a whole nother page of experiments you can do. The one I'm going to show you is rapid color changing chemistry. It's just telling you what you'll need, and safety too on some of them. And it'll show you pictures of the steps of what to do, and then also it has words on what to do, so it'll be a little bit better for directions. And then how it works, like how it's put together, and how to make an experiment with the if then because method again.
Those are just a few experiments. There's a lot more, as you can see. So if you want to come to sciencebob.com, then you can just check it out.
You just go sciencebob.com.
Paxton has our Christmas weather for us. Konnichiwa, Bobcats. I'm going to teleport into the Northern Lights to say this week's weather. On Saturday, December 22nd, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 14. There will be a 20% chance of precipitation. On Sunday, December 23rd, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 20. There will be a 0% chance of precipitation. On Christmas Eve, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 39 and a low of 20. There will be a 0% chance of precipitation. On Christmas Day, there will be PM showers with a high of 32 and a low of 16. There will be a 40% chance of precipitation. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Adios, Bobcats.
There's a few sports going on. Let's check in with Jacob and Erica on our sports report.
Hi, Bobcats.
Hi, Bobcats.
There are some sports going on.
The ice skating rink will open today.
Four shooting is starting up after winter break. If you are interested, talk to Caleb Hamilton.
Swimmers are hard at work training for the Happy New Year's meet. Come support them in the pool.
Soccer players are getting ready for Turf Wars. Good luck, soccer players.
There is a traveling basketball team. Talk to Paxton Hollingshead for the boys and George Chance or Addie Rounds for the girls.
Lightning has become a popular game at recess. Remember to play fairly so everyone has a good time.
Now for the sports joke.
What did the coach say to the broken vending machine?
I don't know.
I want my quarter back.
Remember to stay active over the winter break. You could go ice skating or build a snow fort.
Bye, Bobcats.
Bye. Have happy holidays.
Georgia has some information on the canned food drive.
Hi, I am here with canned food drive information I got from Mrs. Steven. The 5th grade won the dodgeball tournament. Yes! 4th grade brought in 429 cans. Mrs. Meek's class had 139 cans. Their class got candy canes for having the most in 4th grade. 5th grade had a total of 490 cans with the most cans in Mrs. Hill's class. Hill's room had a total of 140 cans. Their class also got candy canes for the most cans in 5th grade. Mrs. Hill's class had the most cans in the school. Our school as a whole got 919 cans. The food is going to the Lander Christmas Basket program where they will put the food into baskets to give to families who need a meal for Christmas. Adios, Bobcat. See you after Christmas break.
Shanti and Kaylin have a Christmas craft for you this week.
Hi, Bobcats. Today we're going to show you how to make a Christmas craft.
A clay flower pot, paint, an old sock, ribbon, pipe cleaners, and pom-poms are the materials you will need to make this craft.
First, paint the entire pot white. We already did one layer and we're going to do another one because you need 2 layers. Once your paint has dried, add the details you want to make the face. This is gonna look so cute. When you have finished making the details of the face, get ribbon and glue it around the bottom of the pot to make a cool design. Once you have finished adding the ribbon to the bottom, cut an old sock to make a hat. Once you have finished, tie a ribbon around the hat to make kind of like a pom-pom at the top.
Or you may glue 2 pom-poms to the top sides of the pot. Add a pipe cleaner that goes over the top of the pot to make something that resembles earmuffs. Now your snowman is finished. Merry Christmas, Bobcats. Now for this week's reminders. Chess Club will be starting up in January. The first meeting will be on January 8th. Look for sign-up sheets in the hallways if you would like to be a part of Chess Club.
There's a student council meeting on Thursday, January 10th, right after school.
After Christmas break, it will be time to sell chocolate. On January 11th, we will have the world's famous chocolate fundraiser assembly.
All the 5th graders took the Geography B preliminary test on Wednesday. The finalists will be announced on Friday. The final round of the Geography B will be on Wednesday, January 9th at 1 p.m. Notes will be sent home with the qualifying students.
School will be dismissed at 12:15 on Friday, December 21st. We have 2 weeks off for our winter break, and we will be back to school on January 7th.
Keep reading to reach those AR goals and keep walking to earn those blazing Bobcat miles. And for that ugly Christmas sweater question, if you guessed D, December 15th, you are correct. See you next time on the Bobcat News.
Bye, Bobcats.
Melikilikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day.